Hi and welcome to the Squirrels Gone Nuts year-long blog hop. I'm so excited to be joining the Squirrel sisters in this adventure. We are all using those supplies that we have squirreled away, and I'll have more details in my corresponding blog post. The theme for this month is new with leftovers. I was going through my stash and I found leftovers from this background stamp. The first one, I think I used zig markers. The second one is with distress inks. And the third one is with shimmer powders. And I thought that I will use just the last one because it didn't need anything else. I'll be also using this most left dye from the Tonic Craft kit, and I found a piece of pearlescent cardstock and I run it through my die cutting machine. And my idea is to put this colored image behind like this. And from this Summer Flowers stamp set, I used the sentiment wishing you another year full of happiness and love, and happy birthday for the inside of my card. Also from this Lone Phone's gold cardstock I cut 3 strips, and because I didn't line up properly my die, it's not completely straight. Oh, and I saved the pieces from the watercolor paper on which I have made the peonies to adhere them under my card front for support. And here is my way of lining things up, even though I'm not so good at it. But I have this transparent grid sheet and I place it on my stamping platform, and then I will place the card front and use the magnets to hold it on place. And then I will adhere 2 of the strips like this along the motif, and I will use the grid to line them up, and then I will just cut the excess. And the third strip I saved for inside of my card. And once I'm done with that, I will adhere the florals behind the card front, and this is how it looks. And this is my finished card. I didn't add anything extra to it. I hope you got inspired, and hopefully I gave you an idea what to do with these leftover pieces from the background stamps. Please check my blog post where will be the link to the next person on the hop. Have a nice day. Bye.